Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a video at the Jamaica Young Police channel, you'll be the first to receive the same. Remember to share the video with your friend, your mama, papa, girlfriend, boyfriend, and your side chick and side man. Yes, and post a comment below, even just to post and say, I am here to show your appreciation of the work that we are doing here at the Jamaica Young Police channel. And thanks for being a part of the movement. So, moving on. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we hate criminals with a passion. So here's one of them. This guy's name is Javon Pinnock. Yeah, aka Froggy. Have a distinct scar on the left side of his face, and him eye go all the way down to him cheekbone. And you know, more or less is a Jamaican do that, you know, telephone cut. I don't know how them come by that thing for, you know, to scar people face like that, and that it's just awful, but terrible people. So this man that you're looking at, his name is Javon Pinnock, aka Froggy. Yeah, Froggy them call him on the street, and he's wanted in New York, in Queens, New York, for the murder of Javon Jamison, a Jamaican youth them called Blingers. Yes, and Blingers was killed almost 2 years ago by this man and another man named Christopher King. Christopher King is in custody in New York, awaiting trial for the murder of Jamison. So we are appealing, we are begging, beseeching you Jamaican people in Jamaica and the diaspora, wherever you see this man, to inform the police, whether it's 119 or 911, and let them know that this man is wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison, so that this man can be placed in custody or go straight to the departure home where he belongs, and that's justice. And we say that because we hate criminals with a passion, because there was no reason for this man to kill Blingers, because Blingers was not a threat to him at the time. It was murder, clear murder. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video.
Big up Jamaican police. I respect everything you're doing. I watch you every day. Man, and when I tell you, I am so happy for what you are doing. And when you say the truth bites, I could tell it bites. Bless up again. Bless up. I love your program, man. I watch you every single day. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, so we want to thank that elderly listener, you know, listen to the Jamaica Young Police channel and always tuning in and letting everyone know that, you know, she enjoyed the program. So today, yes, you're looking at a man at your upper left, and the man beside him, that is Peter Bunting. So we're letting the, yeah man, Kevin Tiliba Roberts is a big known coke dealer in a Clarendon, living in Manchester. This is the same man who had brought a man from Haiti to kill the Prime Minister Andrew Willis. That's the man at the top right there. Yes, he had brought a man from Haiti. We have done a video about it here. The man was in Warwick Hill. So the same M16s that he had, you know, this man had brought from, Guy Philippe had brought from Haiti, came into, that was distributed between Warwick Hill and South Clarendon. That's owned by Rocky Point, where this man have influence. Rocky Point, wait a bit, and all these places. I used to station in Clarendon as a young police officer, so I know about all of these drug dealers. Not friends, I'm not friends with them. They don't know me because, you understand what I'm saying. So you're going to hear a policeman who used to work at a mobile reserve. He lives in the United States of America. And this policeman, He is defending Kevin Tiliba Roberts. Those of you who want to hear the full audio, the conversation of this policeman defending this drug dealer, it will be on Patreon in its fullness. But for now, others, you'll get it. We'll give it to you, various parts. It's gonna be in a 10-part series. Yeah, so you watch, you listen, and you decide. So yeah, so this is part 2 of this 10-part series. Listening to this policeman, defending Kevin Tiliba Roberts and the PMP, the criminality. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Part 2 of this 10-part series. You know that?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, yeah. So that's why I make him sue it. Tiliba never work in his life. Tell me one job with Tiliba ever do in his life.
Man, a businessman, man, run plaza over there, man. Big business.
Okay, alright. How him come buy money for buy plaza, for make plaza?
I couldn't know that.
Okay, we are telling man. You understand? Yeah. So, alright, not Tiliba.
I'm telling man, they are farm too, bro.
Then nothing wrong with that. Then look how much thief in police have farm too.
Yeah, Jesus.
You understand? You call all the farmer commissioner of police thief and them thing there. Owen Ellington, say me not thief.
But I mean, like you said them thing there, Sir Porter.
Why?
Say my thief.
How you mean?
Is he convicted?
I'm not a convict for say my thief. If I'm a thief and them thing there, you know I'm a thief. And him not because I'm not convicted, where I go say him honest?
Yeah, but
me I ask you if I'm honest.
Like that coming on no proof. That's what I'm saying.
No, well, look here.
You know what police tell me so when they tell I got prison. I'm surprised you want to get them information from.
So them nearly send me a prison?
No, man.
Where you say?
Owen Ellington.
Oh, Ellington a thief, man.
No, but I have no proof of that. We can't call it.
Well, look here. The police on the channel will come out and say a policeman by the name of Noel Morgan. Other police come and corroborate Morgan, but it's just that them not have the courage to come and say it out loud because them afraid of retaliation.
Like a Morgan, the one ready.
We did that federation. No man run away. Man that Jamaica see man. The man police involved in all kind of criminality. Shan the assistant commissioner named Shan and all kind of people. That was year or two. And the man go and report, you understand, one policeman, him say, I not even want to call the policeman name. I'm an inspector now. I'm a senior man. I not call him name. Call them man, and every man, as I say.
You have some man name we are not calling.
No, because hey, look here. Yeah, me tell you, you have some police, them afraid even in shadow, I tell you, you see like how me attack. You have police where who call me from Jamaica and tell me things, and a million times I say, boy, me I beg you do, what I call me name, Them a tell me things. I have to tell them say, you don't tell me already, so don't do it. A detective, man, I work like all MID and all of them place there. And CTAC. Cause them afraid, you understand? And although I say you not for you may not call your name and I go say it like how you tell me, because if I say it like how you tell me, people did upon the operation and know say somebody that was there. So I have to skew it in a way like a civilian tell me, you understand? Cause I'm afraid. You understand what I'm saying? Because man must say, oh, boy, I'm gonna steal like you and them thing there, because I'm here all when you're police, or you over you know, a conference, island-wide conference, and because of you, the assistant commissioner of police have locked down the conference because you say things will upset everybody, because through your call out a big man name say them a thief and all them thing there. And the man must say,
you did that?
Oh, you mean if me you do that? So who else do it? How want to hear?
So in 1990, Sir Porter, where are you supposed to start this year?
Yeah, man, St. Andrew South, man.
In 1990.
In the 90s.
Okay.
Up to in the early 2000s, you know what I'm saying. But me used to work at Clarendon too.
I heard.
So how many? So, yeah, man, and Grave them a mentor, man.
Yeah, man, I read the police in there.
Yeah, man, you understand. I agree. Yeah, man, them man, good police, You understand? Although some police call and bonfire upon him and them thing, everybody are gonna like you. You understand what I'm saying?
Not everybody not gonna like you. Some people are still life on you and some people.
Well, hey, I will if a police still life on me.
Yes. You with this strong thing about. So why you stop contribute to the Jamaican people? and knowing that you have so much, I know you get that so much information.
Why me stop? Why me stop? What? Contribute in what way?
How you mean then he was a good police officer?
Oh well, look here. The reason, the reason. All right. What I mean is what.
You get scared and leave her.
No, well, let me tell you now. I was a mark man for that, you know. By the yeah, you understand. You have to, hey, look here. Because of me, you know. About seven detectives had to resign after because of my action, you know. Not in a bad way, yeah, for save them life and them thing. Cause some, may I tell you something now. You have a brother when you Mark Shields, the white man. May I tell first, yeah, Mark Shields, yeah, some information. I had submit some information to him about robbery and murder. Police committed. The same police on name Cowboy and Ox, one of the.
Okay,
yeah. You hear about them police there and them thing.
Yeah, man. They work with them too.
Well, me and them work on them thing there. Them not bad like how people talk say and them thing. Them a thief. You understand? And
Ox used to be the man like when Ratcliffe them did the man and bang, bad boy named Bang a call a little bit. Ox is a man will take up the body and have the body and drive road.
Okay. You did that when Bobby Lick bang?
Yes, man. I know, man, Bobby Lick bang, man. I want police name for St. Elizabeth. Them bust them time, the man. Remember, I give young police. I want to forget the soup name. I say you never live not yet. So Clooney's touch bang. Me get a liquor for bang. I want police named Derek Blair used to go to States touch bang. I just broke me out as young college.
Yeah.
Radcliffe, I want mobile man lick him in the pre service. Look at what him name. I was up on the operation, man, but I was close by where the actual action was.
I know, so my Radcliffe go up, you know. Yeah, if you not listen to the channel, man, yeah, man. One time before Radcliffe dead, man. That's why I tell people says that every gunman and a gunman, you know, a gunman, you know. You understand? Some man have gun, but because them have illegal gun, but them no walk with it, and have to just protect them family and them thing there, and them community. You understand? Yeah, man. One time when
Radcliffe was one of them.
Oh no. Radcliffe wasn't a bad man. A George Pang them turn Radcliffe in a bad man. Bibo pass him on them. And them shot Radcliffe and turn him in a bad man. After them shot him, and him go KPH. Him tell the police him send us here him know who shot him. But I saw it going to get out. If you talk, you can't stay.
Garrison.
Yeah, I saw it going to get out. You understand? You can't talk. Just like how the woman at Gregory Park since week, where them rape her neighbor and she talk and then go and kill her. The woman have 8 children in a Gregory Park, you know. Yeah, man, them murder and them thing there. You understand? Yeah, man, Radcliffe wasn't a bad. Me and Radcliffe grew up together. We used to play all football on the road with milk box and all them thing there. Yeah, man. But, and one time I had police center in early in 89, 90 and them thing there. When Radcliffe start get wanted. Yeah, man, me dad the corner Price Street and Penn Street. Man, you know, my little corner that and them thing there. Be a big man there, so. Yeah, man.
So you Dixon Farmer, them a squaddy?
Huh?
From
no, I 88 me graduate and them thing there. Me and the brother with the woman that get assistant commissioner that Owen Ellington baby mother, Shami and Shama batchmate.
Oh, okay. Just a read a while ago they say 7 people.
Yeah, we graduate December 88 and them thing. And the brother with the Westmoreland named Joseph. I'm a squaddy and them thing. Yeah, man. So that may tell you, say, I know if a man have a legal gun and I get to a gun, man. So, like Radcliffe, you understand what I'm saying? So, I'm tell you them thing there, you know, say, I just saw Radcliffe, you know, hey, look here, you see now I get to them thing there. If you live in a ghetto, you have to understand how ghetto politics work, you know. Ghetto politics are not ordinary politics, you know. You understand? You know, enough youth who live in a ghetto will become gunman. Some of them, hey, look here, some of them become gunman because it come with a certain amount of clout in a community. So you see like all which where me come from and them thing in a Jonestown concrete jungle. Like for them, the people them now, them see me as an informer. They don't see me as a law abiding citizen. No. Yeah man, them see me as an informer. So them see me as a threat to them. To what they are doing, them survivality. You understand? Because me are the person who I go out there and against what they are doing. So them don't like me. Yeah.
You don't agree with that?
No, so me an informer on them thing now. Stop right there. pause this video and subscribe now to United We Win, Divided We Lose. This channel exposes the enemies of global democracy, led by the US, now under threat from a South African billionaire named Elon Musk, Peter Thiel and others, manipulating the world. Subscribe now. Subscribe to the channel. Those who know the truth but stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. Speak up or be complicit. As we says, those who know the truth and stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. So moving on to today's video. And no, like for them, know me for dead. I just
all right. Yesterday, man never sell flour. When I went down there, you know, man them tell me, say, and they said, this is the way we
make money.
Take away devil's money. You get me?
Yeah.
So, you hear what I say? Their motto, this is where we take away the devil's money and inoculate them. So, them said them a fight crime too, you know, but that way they fight crime. You get the recipe?
Yeah. So, so me ask you something now. So when you did that firing and then after that you resigned. When you resigned, why you never come? You didn't come back to Jamaica?
Yes, I'm come back to Jamaica.
So how long you did out there before you come back to foreign?
Up where?
Out of Jamaica. How long?
It was like 5 months. But the man now take the sick leave because somebody tell him to me.
You not foreign?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And plus your 5 year and them thing, so you just call it a day.
I'm never interested in that. Something I did love. I'm a passion for.
You never love the police force?
Eh?
Oh, so you was one of them. I just a job, you know. I just a job you did one.
Yes, it's a job.
Well, at least you're honest, sir. Believe you.
Yeah, it's a job. Just a job. I want a salary. My friend, man. I do. So I never really have the passion for it.
So you wasn't.
I'm going to get a joke, but I know say I wasn't cut out for that.
Yeah.
One man, some mobile man, some ranger squad.
So hold on, may I ask you something? So you know the brother with that True Island story? Him used to that mobile too, you know.
Where's True Island?
You have a channel.
I don't know. I don't hear the voice. I don't know who. I read the other day. I realized my police when him say him interview one of Dodo's brother. And him say something about police.
You might interview one of Dodo's brother?
Yeah.
Which one?
That was the time.
Which one of them? Liberty?
No, man. Older one. When say he used to smoke drugs and the man them a match his lane see him one time and then they were killing but them say like a boss friend and he said the boss. He said Dodo's brother and then he said Dodo say I mean make they're not killing you know. So I don't know if him is not coke. Must be by the mother side.
Yeah.
And I forgot your name. So that I interviewed them, I realized the Island True better.
Me send him picture and him thing them. Him used to work. Him used to work the man. Him used to work on mobile. His father was police too, you know.
Yeah, man. I was there until for Johnson did it.
Why him thief? No.
Yeah, you see, when we work at stadium, the money we forget, you know. But you know, I just say a thing there, man.
But you're supposed to be decent and honest when you come on to other people. You're not supposed to rob them.
And I'm going to get a joke. When they come in our system, right? And the system, you see the mobile man them where them try to shoot the businessman out of whoever the guy is.
Which businessman?
Them seven are businessman, a Spanish town, but Joe Blaine we shoot out with the 3 police.
Oh, you thought the PMP done?
Yes, man, but then kids.
Yeah, man, you talk the one where the PMP soup, senior soup, send the police.
Yes, figure kid.
No, man, we're not talking about Bent. We're talking about the soup. We send the police and figure bodyguard the criminal. The criminal.
Shoot out with the other set of police.
Yeah, with the criminal police, we kill the police. We kill the police. Execute the police and kill all the man's son. Him for charge of murder. Cause murder that you know.
But sir, reporter, I go touch that topic here a while.
Yeah.
So he just got mobile reserve. to 15 too. You're a young police. And you go there and the police them say, drive up a some betting shop. I have to chat betting shop. I say, police go in there so and tell the girls if you send the money come. Yo, me do it 2 times. And the third stop me tell us I can't do it again. And I say, why? Then say, I don't feel comfortable doing it. Because when I go in there and see some bright faced young lady, I was so embarrassed. Yeah, me say me do it 2 times. Stop at Barbican, go full pedal, pick up. Go in a Grand Splendid, pick up. And when I go in there, then one girl say, upon the young guy, yeah, do this. They should not talk to me directly, you know. But me I come out and it touch my conscience. So that's why I know say, me is no, me not cut out for them thing. No, me not cut out for them thing. And that dawn on me.
It affect you?
Yeah, and when we go there, they say, you're not getting that money, you know. So me not care. And when they go in, we collect, when they pack up a piece of money, they pack up all money, then they share me out, they not give me none. Because I say, I'm not a part of it. And one time we go for an operation too. And because remember, when I got mobile, you go do an assault course up at McGregor Gully there and go down in Augustown.
Me never know that, because I never got...
Yeah, man. When Tuesday them did Campbell. Tuesday, yeah, and Turner was the instructor himself.
Oh, so, Turner, that's the round face, brother?
Yes, man.
What to him?
In return, I'm supposed to return. So Tuesday and Turner was the I didn't deal with the assault course. And when me there train school, I see them coming mobile reserve and recruit people. I admire the uniform, because they just look away. But they end up going mobile and but them is something me go in our we have a 303 rifle at the time, yeah. Them with it's SLR with them. And we go in our house so, and them find one gun. And they look young and they want away. He said, police, he called me. He said, police, tell the police to come here. One sergeant up there. And he said, come here. And he said, you broke your dog, sir? He said, yeah, man. Me not say, yeah, man, because I just come and say, I took about 3 weeks to me the ISR course. He said, no, sir. And then he said to me, well, broke your dogs now. I'm going to walk out. I couldn't kill a little innocent youth like that. You can't do certain thing, can't do, sir, Potter.
How you mean him innocent and you find him with gun?
A gun in our next room. From where in there. When we walk out of the house and look up, it's a higher level one next house. I see people I look down. The people with us not saying I get in trouble, you know. But me not believe me no.
So them not send him home?
Send him home.
The boy?
No, they never kill him. Because the police me I was first one in call in there. I let the have to say I want and say, "Boy, I'm shoot him." And I can't do it. I don't understand that. No, I couldn't do it.
You're a Christian, sir.
I'm a Christian, but me no, and everything that wasn't for me that particularly. Remember me tell you say, bang, and me go for the next operation again with Operation Hardenburg and McGregor Gully. With a youth. So it wasn't about, but at that particular time, if I in a spirit that talk to me, say, no, leave that alone. And we never do it. And the sergeant never rate me for that. So when them go for options, say, yo, no come and say, go there. Our next police didn't know animal. You didn't know animal? You hear about animal, right?
No, I never hear about him.
Alright, well, young police still for Johnston, boots him up.
So we have come to the end of part 2 of this 10-part series. Listening to, this cop, who's a close associate of Kevin Tiliba Roberts, Peter Bunting right-hand man, an unknown drug dealer, defending the drug dealer. So that's how it is in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You have some members. When I was serving in the police force, I know all kind of people, but I mix, but I never dissolve. Know all kind of character because based on my background where I'm from. But not because I know people, I mix, but I never dissolve. But, these are people that, that's their way of life, But these people will call me, as a youth are born and grow in the ghetto, they'll call me a big farmer. I have no problem with that. So, you know, it's just sad because when you sell coke, all you do is destroying other people. This is destroying their lives. But some people don't care about that. They just think about the money. But at the end of the day, people who sell coke, they always meet a dead. They always die violently, or they suffer before they die. They always suffer before them dead. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out. Part 3 will be coming up same time tomorrow. Peace.